Welcome dear students. Today we are going to study rules for image formation by convex mirror. Topic is light reflection and refraction. So first rule, a ray of light parallel to principal axis appear to diverge from the principal focus. So here you can see this PC is a principal axis, right? And this is a convex mirror. So if we draw a ray which is parallel to principal axis, then it will diverge from the principal focus. So it will diverge in this way, this is reflected ray. But if you produce it behind the mirror, then it will appear to meet at focus. So this is first rule. Second rule, a ray of light going towards the focus becomes parallel to the principal axis after the reflection. So here, if the incident ray is in this direction, such that if it is produced behind the mirror, then it will meet at focus. Then after reflection, this ray will be parallel to principal axis. So here incident ray and this one is a we can say a reflected ray which is parallel to principal axis. Now let us see third rule. A ray of light going towards the center of curvature of a convex mirror is reflected back along the same path. Now here you can see the convex mirror is there, here focus F is there, and here center of curvature C. Now if the incident ray is incident in this way, such that if it produced behind the mirror, it will meet at C, that is center of curvature. Then after reflection, this ray will reflect in the same path. So this one is incident ray and same is a reflected ray. Now let's see fourth rule. A ray of light which is incident at the pole of a convex mirror is reflected back, making the same angle with the principal axis. Now here you can see this one is a convex mirror. Okay, if the incident ray is incident at the pole making some angle say I with the principal axis, then it will reflect in this manner such that this angle which reflected ray make with the principal axis will be same. So here angle I is equals to angle R. Hope you understood all these rules or the special rays formed by convex mirror. Now let's study the formation of image by a convex mirror. Here if the object is kept between infinity and pole, that is anywhere if it is kept, then what will be the image position that we want to find. So this one is the object say AB object is there. Then using this ray diagrams which we just study, we can draw a ray which is parallel to principal axis. This parallel ray will appear to move out from the focus. So this way it will get reflect. And if you produce it behind the mirror, then it will appear to meet at focus. Second ray we can draw in this way that it is directed towards the center of curvature. So this way if you draw, right, this is incident ray. In a similar manner it will reflect. But if you produce it behind the mirror, then it will meet at point C. Now here this reflected ray is there and this reflected ray is. So these two reflected rays are not going to meet in a forward direction. But if you produce them behind the mirror, then they meet at this point, and this is the position of the image. So A dash B dash is the position of image. So for convex mirror, the image is always forming between pole and focus. So here the image is behind the mirror, behind the mirror, right, between pole and focus. pole and focus. It is virtual and erect, right? And always diminished. Always diminished means smaller in size. Okay, so this is first property, second and third property. This way we get images using the convex mirror, which is always virtual and erect, always diminished, and always behind the mirror between pole and focus. Thank you. Now you need to study all these ray diagrams, that is special ray, as well as the formation of image by convex mirror. Thank you.